My name is Garland Richards. You're on Chadbourne Ranch. I was raised on the ranch. My great-granddad was out here and we were raised cowhands. While we're growing up, I assumed that everybody had a frontier fort in their backyard. Fort Chadbourne was on its way of disappearing, and we had a chance to try to do something with it. We took it, and I think we've done a pretty good job. If somebody tells me I can't do it, we'll see how far I can go.
When you're passing through this area, pull up to the Gold Spur, push the green button, and we'll give you a grand tour.
Fort Chadbourne is an educational tour, and it's part of West Texas history. We've recovered almost 1 million artifacts from Fort Chadbourne. You've got the cowboys, you've got the Indians, you've got the settlers, and you've got the gold rush. Everybody's got a bad habit. The guns that are in Fort Chadbourne, I've been collecting since I was 10 years old. One of my main interests in there is probably the Sharps rifles. Many of those particular guns were used in this area to hunt buffalo. All of this history, if we do not preserve this, it will simply disappear.
We love and appreciate our military. You know, we're in between two bases, San Angelo and Abilene. We have a lot of those people that come out here and see what this is.
Served for just shy of 7 years. I was joined in 2009 is when I joined, and I got out in 2016.
Cody is my stepson. He's a Purple Heart recipient. He's top-notch.
My wildlife management plan is to try and produce some of the best whitetail in the state. Some of the steps that we've taken is doing some brush clearing with mechanical. And then we're turning around back behind that and we're reseeding this with native grasses and the native forbs. We're also establishing a better water system. By putting some water wells and running water lines across this ranch, it gives us a more permanent water source. When I noticed we had an overgrazing problem, we backed the cows out of this. Since we got rid of the cattle and now that we have our grass has started to establish better, my fawn crops have been over 100% for almost 5 years in a row now.
To be able to have the same ranch for close to 150 years in the same family, you've got to continue to evolve. I've seen the switch from primarily a cattle operation to involve hunting. This is part of the evolution of ranching and trying to make ends meet, to be able to keep the ranch together, and in addition to that, do this historical project. I'm truly amazed at what we've been able to accomplish.
I have 150 years of family ranching history. I'm hoping that what I do today, my family is still carrying this on 150 years from now.
I was put on the earth to take care of Fort Chadbourne. We've done a good job.